Welcome back to our live coverage out of Keene Trace. The Barbasol Championship underway all week, but the actual competition started today. And unfortunately, all good things come to an end. This will be the last day that will be unaffected by any kind of shower or storm chance. Going into the weekend, as we've been talking about all week, things are getting awfully iffy and potentially hazardous, especially into tomorrow. So as far as what's going on out here today, the sun is shining. It's beautiful. And we've got a wonderful setup for the afternoon. The humidity is still in check, and it just feels really good. It's warm, the sun is shining, and it's turned into a pretty spectacular afternoon. It's going to be a little warmer than yesterday. The humidity might creep on us slightly this afternoon. But if we look at the MaxTrack Live, there are no shower or storm chances anywhere close to us in the short term. The driver, high pressure up over the Great Lakes, although that influence will start to wane, and unfortunately back to the west, low pressure tracking in from the Dakotas this morning is going to give us all kinds of problems this weekend. We'll have a cold front to contend with tomorrow, severe storm chances. And then as that low kind of rolls gradually down through the Great Lakes into the Ohio Valley, that'll extend the rain chance and potentially heavy rain into the weekend. We've been showing you the convective outlook from the Storm Prediction Center, and they did upgrade part of our viewing area just to the west of Lexington, extending west to I-65 into an enhanced risk for tomorrow, up from that slight risk. And what that means is we've got a better chance for severe weather tomorrow. That's not what you want to hear. And we're looking at all potential modes here as far as damaging wind gusts, possibly some supercells, could be some isolated tornadoes, definitely the possibility of stronger updrafts or some larger hail. I think it could come in a couple of rounds. So if we look at our 3-day forecast out here, it looks spectacular if you just stop at it today. But into tomorrow, we've got that storm chance, and then into the weekend, we're going to see repeated rounds of showers and storms coming through, and it'll be lesser a severe storm chance and more possibility of heavy rain. So the future track shows how things kind of play out today, nothing much going on. And then into your Friday, we'll see potentially a morning round coming in. I think we'll see a better severe potential whenever we get that daytime heating rolling tomorrow, though. So late afternoon into the evening, we'll see a better chance for strong to severe storms. So we'll be tracking that through the day tomorrow. We'll likely see an elevated threat index as well. Temperature-wise, it's very warm, and that is going to change going into the weekend with extensive cloud cover and repeated rounds of showers and storms coming through. Temperatures are actually going to fall, so it'll be the warmest today, and then we'll see the temperatures backing off mid-80s tomorrow. And the 8-day forecast shows that we'll see probably mid to upper 70s by the end of the weekend. That's how much it is going to cool down. The problem is this rain hangs with us all weekend. And speaking specifically of the heavy rain threat, we could see parts of the Ohio Valley, possibly up into northern Kentucky. Have to wait and see where the axis of the heaviest rain sets up. Maybe anywhere between 1 to 2 inches, maybe pushing 3 in localized areas by the time it starts tomorrow and wraps up into Sunday night. Even some of those showers and storms, though, could linger into early next week. So you saw Michael Burke out here talking earlier about the contingency plans that they have in place. We're likely going to be seeing some of those going into effect this weekend. Chris and Dia.
All right.